Hey everyone, welcome to Last Fantasy Gaming. It's a vlogging series. We got some couple of very big announcements. But first, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord if you guys do enjoy it. And the big announcement is I am actually going to be trying putting models in the Patreon. And I'll get the Patreon tab set up once the model's out and it looks all good and everything else. I'll be charging like $5 for it, and I'll show you what the model is supposed to be looking like. The model that I'll be working on is Ellen Joe, the bustier figure of this picture right here by this creator. Uh, Going to be turning it into a 3D model, and I paid someone to do it just to test it out, and it is ridiculously expensive. And this is what we got so far within 3 days. Should be done within 10, 11 days, I would say, for it. Try to get a lot of the stuff done. And I also give additional stuff, what she's supposed to look like with the shark tail and legs. So it should have legs, should be a full size pinup. And it should mostly resemble this. Hopefully. And yeah, and we'll be selling the model in a lot of ways for it. And yeah, I'm just trying it out. I'm just trying it out, see if I can make some extra money. If Reason why it'd be like $5 because I just need 125 subscribers. You do the math, times five, and that will cover the S safe for work and not safe for work. There'll be two variation. Fully nude one that's not safe for work, and there will be a regular one. And the regular one will be $5, and the NSFW one will be like $7 for it. And if the more Patreon subscribers we get, the more figures we'd be able to I could pay to get them added in. My goal is to get at least 1,000 for $5, and if we're able to do that, I can get like 4 to 5 figures, and people can vote for it for $5 for not that many. A lot of people charge 10, 20, $25 for it. I think $5 is fair. I'm not trying to make a lot of money. I'm just trying to make enough for the upcoming baby that's coming next year, beginning of next year. So I'm hopefully preparing myself in many ways. And if this thing goes skyrockets and goes really good, I am going to be commissioning several people do a Kickstarter for an indie game of a pixel game. There is a game that no one actually made so far. It's kind of like like all those isekai stuff. You could be like a demon lord, or you can become a hero, or you could just be in the middle of the damn continent between the like the hero nation and the demon lord nation. You start building and stuff. It's like a sin settlement plus a little RPG stuff like that, and different skills for it. So that's my idea, and I'm going to need enough money saved up because you're going to need a lot of people, doing the art, design, and all that stuff for it. And I can start actually put it up on Kickstarter and then do the full project. Hopefully, be able to get funded. So that's my goal, and that goes really good. Then I'm gonna make the Isekai RPG book for tabletop. Probably gonna be 3.5 or fifth edition. I'm more of a 3.5 guy, but I know a lot of people have still play the older fifth edition. The newer fifth edition, I think it's crap, in my opinion. That's just me. I think I like the 2014 one, not the new 2024 one. I thought it was like it should just call it 5.5 and just re-update the following stuff that goes with 2014 in many ways. I just feel like they just rushed it just to get some money out of it. Then, in many ways, in my opinion, for that. So those are the big announcement. I should get this thing up by mid of August. Then we're going to see how it goes. Then I'll start commissioning more people, more of them to make other stuff, and will vote for it. And most likely gonna be on like give me the art during Discord. Well, I'll make a little tab for it on my Discord channel, and see which character. There's gonna be a wife pick because what my wife wants, and then it'll be your guys' pick for it in many ways. But yeah, that is the big announcement that we're actually going to be doing and try to get stuff smoothly going in different directions. And yeah, and it is going to be one of those things that everyone's going to have to, see how a degenerate person I am, I guess. But I also wanted to have make enough, funds just to make actual like 32 scale pieces for D&D. I want to do the whole Daisegia set. I want to do the whole Unicorn Overlord set, stuff like that. And not a lot of people doing it because everyone goes with what other people want. I also want something for myself as well, for my gaming table and for my painting and so forth as well. Next part is I have 2 more weeks left, and I'll be going back to school. So time changes, everything else will be a lot different as well. I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done. I'm almost done with the nurse, getting everything out of the nursing. Supposedly going to be coming a nursing room to the garage. So there's going to be a video for that soon. Hopefully, it'll be probably a short, and have like a few more bottles of resin left, and I'm probably have to save that for the Ellen Joel figure that I paid for commission to make to get that done as well. But overall, hopefully this works. I'm taking a big risk here. Uh, but yeah, I also canceled all the Patreons. I'm only gonna get certain ones to a limit of like $50 max. All the files that I really do want. Uh, other than that, I have to. I'm trying to make a risk uh, on the Patreon stuff for the STL files, and then hopefully I break even. If I break even, I'll be very happy. It's 125, and I break even, and I can use that money and make another file just for that one. Then if it gets bigger, a lot better. So not a lot of people like to take risk. How the economy is and everything else for it. I need to take risk because you know it's either I have to go back to work next year after I'm done with school with my broken ass body, or try something different and hopefully it works and sticks. That's my philosophy on it. Let me know what you guys think. Anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. And watch the Patreon videos too, because if you guys are interested in what figures and stuff, proxies that you guys are interested in, has a lot of good information there for you guys as well. See you guys. Bye.